One man, one cough. And history took a deadly turn. In 1914, Gavrilo Princip stood in the crowd ready to kill Archduke Franz Ferdinand, but he failed. The motorcade passed by untouched. His plan had collapsed. Defeated and exhausted, he wandered the streets of Sarajevo and stopped to buy a sandwich. Then fate intervened. One of the Archduke's drivers took a wrong turn right in front of the sandwich shop. Gavrilo looked up. Some say he was startled by a nearby cough. He saw the car, he pulled his pistol and fired. That bullet didn't just kill two people. It triggered a World War. 20 million dead because of one cough and a sandwich.